On the special directives of Chief Minister Punjab, Maryam Nawaz Sharif, the Fisheries Department has launched its first ever world-class shrimp research facility at Muzaffargarh after the success of shrimp pilot project last year through public-private partnership that has facilitated the private sector to do shrimp farming on 100 acres of land. This revolutionary initiative is paving the way for a progressive shrimp economy in Punjab. 64 state-of-the-art research ponds have been completed on 100 acres of state land, fully equipped with independent feeders of high transmission lines, transformers, tube wells, motors, harvesting pits, water supply, drainage system, and other modern installations. These ponds are expected to produce 135 tons of shrimp annually through 2 crops per annum. Recently, shrimp produced at the state farm have reached way up to 35 to 40 grams, which is a great achievement. While the planned expansion across 5,500 to 6,000 acres could yield 27,000 to 30,000 tons per year. This research-based experimental project will serve as a milestone not only for shrimp production but also for the study and development of other aquatic species. The project includes capacity building programs for farmers and internship opportunities for the first time, enabling skill development and knowledge transfer at the grassroots level.
अभी हमारी सीड डाले हुए तकरीबन 32 डेज हो गए हैं, तो हमारा कोई 5-6 ग्राम तक सीड पहुंच गया है। गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पंजाब ने जो इनिशिएटिव लिया था, हमें उसी का ही सारा फ़ायदा हुआ है।
हमने जो है 6 to 7 ग्राम्स का श्रिम्प जो है वो प्रोड्यूस किया है अभी तक। बहुत सारे फार्मर्स को ये एक नई अपॉर्चुनिटी जो है वो पता चली है, जो उसके रिटर्न्स हैं वो भी बहुत अच्छे हैं rather than fish farming.
Feasibility surveys are being conducted at various sites across Punjab to start shrimp farming projects on up to 50,000 acres. A complete value chain has been developed with the support of top international consultants covering hatcheries, farms, feed mills, processing plants, state-of-the-art aquaculture mall, and marketing to meet global standards. With immense export potential, the project is estimated to generate $1.2 billion on 50,000 acres. The AquaGold project will create research opportunities for students, generate employment at the regional level, and firmly establish Punjab's identity in the international seafood markets.